What is this? Colander.
Water poured out through the holes in the colander. Water poured out through the holes in the colander.
What is this? Casserole.
We put a pot holder under the hot casserole. We put a pot holder under the hot casserole.
What is this? Frying pan.
I saw pancakes flipping in the frying pan. I saw pancakes flipping in the frying pan.
What is this? Grater.
I helped Dad grate carrots with the grater. I helped Dad grate carrots with the grater.
What is this? Pot holder.
Don't touch the oven without a pot holder. Don't touch the oven without a pot holder.
What is this? Steamer.
The steamer made the broccoli soft. The steamer made the broccoli soft.
What is this? Forest.
The forest looked cool and shady. The forest looked cool and shady.
What is this? Volcano.
It is a dead volcano. It is a dead volcano.
What is this? Valley.
The small town lies beyond the next valley. The small town lies beyond the next valley.
What is this? Waterfall.
The water in the waterfall splashed loudly. The water in the waterfall splashed loudly.
What is this? Island.
The island had palm trees and white sand. The island had palm trees and white sand.
What is this? Lid.
Mum opened the lid to check the soup. Mum opened the lid to check the soup.
What is this? Handgun.
Police officers may carry a handgun to protect people. Police officers may carry a handgun to protect people.
What is this? Police van.
We saw a police van parked near the school. We saw a police van parked near the school.
What is this? Holster.
A holster is a special case to carry a real gun. A holster is a special case to carry a real gun.
What is this? Bulletproof vest.
The officer wore a bulletproof vest over his shirt. The officer wore a bulletproof vest over his shirt.
What is this? Helmet.
The police officer wears a shiny helmet. The police officer wears a shiny helmet.
What is this? Jail.
The police took the criminal to the jail. The police took the criminal to the jail.